Alright, so the Kwikset Smartkey Gen 3 lives on. Did fix it. So that's the key that it belongs to. And just to show you it's not acting fluky, I have a spare one that I bought extra key, which came out of this package, obviously. One of these deals, I grabbed it out of the bag. So let's see if I can give this a pick in a reasonable amount of time. Sorry for the delay. It's always a struggle getting the tension started. Usually once I get going, it's not too bad. But now that I said that, of course it's gonna take forever. So let's see here. Oh yeah, starting off real good, let me tell you. There we go. Alright, so first slider. I believe I got him set. Maybe? Yep. Okay, second slider. I know this ain't gonna be the best video, but there we go. I believe second slider is set. Third, I think I'm going for 4. Trying to back out 4, and I think I may actually have it picked, because that tension is really far in there. Hopefully I didn't screw this up. Let's give this a go. Yep, I think we got it. Let me pull this out. Hopefully I got it. Yep, okay, there we go. All right, so there we have it picked. Now, oh, what did I do there? Ah! Uh-oh. What did I do? Hit that restart. Now I'm wondering if, hopefully the key still works. Nope. Oh, all right. Hold up here. Let's see if we can reset it. Hopefully the key still works. Not sure what, okay, that still works. Make sure it's not a fluke. Use the other one again. Okay, no idea what I did there. I probably started the process of resetting and it switched back. So what I'm gonna try to do is keep this in frame. So this is an interesting video for me. First time, I believe, picking a lock in a vise. I believe this is my first video of picking a lock with sliders. Let's see if I keep this in view here. And then, guess what? I'm actually gonna gut this thing, I think. So this should be my first pick and gut. How about that? Let's see here. Yeah, that's right. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I had to take this apart already to fix it, so I'm semi-comfortable with gutting it. So let's see here. This should slide out. Oh, okay, looks like I wonder if I should have the key in. Hold up. This is what happens when you don't know what you're doing. There we go. Okay, so yeah, put the key in order to get this out. Now, I think, now what I want to do, come on. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. That should, uh-oh, it wants to reset. Hold on here. Let's not do this. Let me get this key out of here. Uh-oh. What did I do? Alright, here we go. I just want to show you the guts of this thing. That's all I want to do. There we go. And then I will fix it later. Oh no. I don't know what that was. I'm not sure what that was. I think that belongs in there. Yep. Okay, stick that guy back in. Now, let me show you the sliders here. Trying my best here. It's the first time doing this. I mean, you know, from a pick and gut standpoint. Okay. So there's your sliders in there. Okay. What I'm going to attempt to do is maybe reassemble. So here's where, if you can see these these are what changed the key depth. That's what changes the depth, those there. So when this key goes in, you can see that they're at different levels. Sorry about the background noise. Got kids, got wash going. Okay, so now if you got to put this back together, this is where it gets tricky. You got to try to keep this in view. You got to try to set this on top without disturbing those sliders, like so. I think I got it. Nope. So we're gonna try that again. This guy here moved a little bit in the middle there, and that guy, and that guy. Oh boy. All right. Let's try this again. Alright, that felt good. Let me make sure that spring right here. Hopefully you're getting all this. I'm sorry if I'm getting out of frame a little bit. Alright, yeah, get that spring looking good. In theory, this should just slide back on. Hold up. Hold on 1 second. Slide back on. See, that don't feel right. There we go. Got it. Alright, so key will continue to work again. Now, let me get this hooked back up here before I shut down this video. Okay, and it's back together. Stick this bad boy back in here. There you go. Pete finally did a pick and gut and assemble. It's pretty crazy. All right, back to working. Let's just try a wrong key again, just to make sure. Yep, don't work, but the original key is back to working. Okay, pick and gut. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.